Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to reveal a quick before and after in Photoshop. Let's say you wanted to, use a lot of something, but you were trying to sell a lot or show off your skills in a portfolio. You'd want a before and after side by side, right? Well, there is an easy way to do this, okay? So we are going to, this is our original right here, this one right here. We are going to duplicate it. You can either right click, duplicate it, or you can hit Command J if you're on a Mac, Control J if you're on a PC. Copy that layer. That's exactly what we need to do, okay? Then we need to drag it above. Yes, the original is above the duplicate now, or rather above the LUT now. Now, what you will want to do, make sure it's selected the copy of the layer, and then you'll want to go down here to this option right here, add layer mask. That's what you will want to do. Click on add layer mask. Once you do that, you will see this appear here. Make sure it's selected. Very important, okay? And then click on your rectangular tool. If it doesn't appear for you here, just right click and select the rectangle one. It might be a circle by default. And then you simply will want to just drag this to, well, you can decide exactly where you want to drag it. I like to try to drag it to the middle. So yeah, and then just hit delete. Plain and simple. There you see a before and after right then and there. Now, if you want to change the order on the before or after, you literally just have to invert the image. So you can actually invert the image super easy by hitting a shortcut key on a Mac. It's Command I. I believe it's Control I or Shift I on PC. But yeah, you just invert it and there you go. And then that makes it so they just change left and right. Now, finally, there is one more thing we can do. Add that, white divider that always exists. What we're going to do now is we are going to use this tool right here. We're going to go to line tool, okay? So right click on the shape tool and then line. That's exactly what we are going to do. We're going to make sure that it's set on fill color white. We're going to make sure that it has no stroke whatsoever, and we're going to make it 1 to 2 pixels. And then we're going to go to the middle here. Go ahead to make sure it's straight when I hold shift and then let go. And then if we've done everything right, this should be aligned there. Hopefully this has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. And with that, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.